So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum. Find from the definition the derivative of under root px plus q. Clear? Find from the definition the derivative of under root px plus q. So I am doing the sum. Watch it very carefully. Let f of x is equal to under root px plus q. Okay, so therefore f of x plus h is equal to under root p into x plus h plus q, right? So now using the definition of derivative of f of x with respect to x at the point x, we get f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, so is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is this one, under root p into x plus h plus q. Okay, minus under root px plus q, clear, by h. So now this, what will you do? Limit h tends to 0 under root p into x plus h plus q minus under root px plus q into p into x plus h plus q. We are rationalizing this expression, plus under root px plus q. Okay, so h into under root p into x plus h plus q plus under root px plus q. Okay, clear? So this will be limit h tends to 0 a minus b into a plus b, that is a squared. So this, if so under square root, if we square this, it will be p into x plus h plus q minus, if we square this term, it will be px plus q. Okay, is equal to h into under root p into x plus h plus q plus under root px plus q. Okay, okay, is equal to limit h tends to 0 px plus ph plus q, px plus ph plus q minus px minus q, h into under root p into x plus h plus q plus under root px plus q. Okay, so plus px minus px is going to cancel each other, then plus q minus q will also cancel each other. So what will remain? limit h tends to 0 pH h into p into x plus h plus q plus px plus q. So h will cancel each other, so it will be limit h tends to 0 p by under root p into x plus h plus q, okay, plus under root px plus q. Okay, so now what will you do? We'll replace h by q. So p under root p into x plus 0 plus q plus px plus q. So this is going to be p under root p into x plus 0 is px plus q plus under root px plus q. So this is going to be p under root px plus q plus under root, so it will be 2 under root px plus q, and this is the answer. Clear? Thank you.